Bugs Bunny's favorite vegetable, carrots are not only delicious but also contain cancer-fighting properties. So why don't you indulge in this amazing veggie that can be included in many different dishes? Carrots taste great and help your body too. Hi, I'm Richard from Natural Helper. Purple carrots are as old as 1,000 years. They were first cultivated where the Himalayan and Hindu Kush mountains meet, but they didn't touch Europe until after 1100 AD, or North America before 1600 AD. This means that purple carrot domestication began in Asia Minor. This is a region of Turkey between eastern Anatolia region and western Armenia near Iran's border with Azerbaijan on one side and to Afghanistan on its other borders for over 1 millennium ago. Here are some other health benefits of that wonderful vegetable. 1. Eye enhancer. Carrots have been touted to give eyesight a huge boost. In fact, it is the high concentrations of beta-carotene in carrots that can be converted into vitamin A and helps avoid such eye conditions as cataracts and night blindness, where eyes have difficulty adjusting in dim settings. 2. Lower risk of cancer. Carrots are a powerful anti-cancer food. Alpha-carotene, bioflavonoids and polyacetylenes in carrots have been linked with reducing the risk of cancer, especially lung cancer, while drinking just 1 quart of carrot juice per day has shown to work well too. In addition to protecting against cardiovascular disease, cholesterol levels and cancer, carrots can also protect the prostate. Carrots beat beta-carotene supplements because carotenoids have been proven more effective in reducing tumor size than these supplement alternatives. Another powerful antioxidant called falcarinol has been shown by studies that it reduces rat tumors by 1/3 when taken daily for 2 weeks at an oral dose of 7 mg per kilogram body weight or 1 gm 10 minutes before meals every day. Also, men who ate 3 servings of carrots each week had reduced risk rates for developing prostate cancer. They were 18% less likely to be diagnosed with any type of tumor. 3. Heart healthy. The next time you need to have a heart-to-heart with your doctor, make sure they know that carrots are the new it vegetable. Studies show regular consumption of carotenoids and beta-carotene can lower one's risk for cardiovascular disease in addition to reducing LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Carrots also contain soluble fiber which binds bile acids from breaking down fats so those bad guys never get into our veins. Studies support that those who include carotenoids such as beta-carotene, alpha-carotidine, lutein, associated with decreased risks of cardiac diseases due to their antioxidant properties. 4. Infection inhibitor. If you are feeling a bit under the weather, carrots may be just what your body needs. These healthy root vegetables contain vitamins A, B6, C and E which play an essential role in immune response. Carrots can also help prevent infection by reducing vulnerability of cuts to bacteria found on dirty surfaces or other sources after being shredded, boiled, mashed together with oils for therapeutic purposes such as rubbing substances into wounds that would otherwise get infected. Carrots themselves have many benefits, disease prevention is one among them. If you're not feeling well but need something fresh and nutritious to eat, try some raw carrot sticks dipped in hummus made from cooked chickpeas, garbanzo beans. 5. Counteract memory loss. A study in the Netherlands found that people who ate smaller amounts of root vegetables such as carrots had over 3 times more descent in cognition than those who consumed larger quantities. Once again, beta-carotene has shown its prevalence by protecting our central nervous system against aging and keeping it functioning at optimum levels for longer periods of time. Another study conducted at Harvard for 18 years proved that those who consumed 50 mg of beta-carotene had a 1 to 1.5 year delay in cognitive decline compared to those who took a placebo. 6. Prevents stroke. The Harvard study was conducted to examine the correlation between carrot consumption and stroke risk. The researchers found that people who ate more than 6 carrots per week were less likely to experience a stroke, in comparison with those eating 1 or fewer carrots per month. 7. Body purifying. Carrots are high in nutrients and vitamin A, which help to cleanse the body of toxins. The cleansing power is enhanced by mixing carrot juice with blueberry juice and coconut water for a refreshing drink that also tastes great. 8. Helps prevent diabetes. Carrots are one of the most underrated vegetables. Not only can they be used in a number of delicious recipes, but their juice is also able to stabilize blood sugar and very rich in silicon and potassium. Beta-carotene is also a notable antioxidant. If it's present in your blood, research has shown that this compound lowers insulin levels by 32%. 9. Splendid skin outside and in. The best way to make your skin radiant is by using natural ingredients, like carrots. They are a great source of vitamin A which can help you get that glowing complexion. Though it's important not to overdo them because they could turn you orange. 10. Bone builder. This super veggie is full of nutrients. They are not too high in any one vitamin or mineral, but they all contribute to a balanced diet. This vegetable can be especially helpful for post-menopausal women who may lack calcium and vitamin C due to menopause's effects on their body's ability to absorb these vitamins. This nutritious super veggie contains many important minerals including small amounts of calcium and vitamins A, B6, E and K found within it, which make this plant food an excellent choice as part of your daily intake. It also protects against inflammation with its omega-3 fatty acids content that helps keep the body healthy while boosting heart health at the same time. We've talked about the health benefits of carrots, but what other tasty ways can you incorporate this amazing veggie in your diet? Carrots are a versatile vegetable that pairs well with many different dishes. What kinds of yummy recipes have you created using carrots as an ingredient? Share them below and we might add it to our list. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. And please subscribe for more great tips.